Hi, and welcome to John's Maths Book. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to solve simultaneous equations using the substitution method and the elimination method. Now, if you like these videos, then please hit the subscribe button and tell me how much you like them in the comments section below. So let's begin. Let's first look at the substitution method. So on the left-hand side of the board, we have a set of linear equations. So two equations, two variables, x and y. We're going to use the substitution method to solve these equations for x and y. So using the substitution method, we need to express one of the equations, one of the variables in terms of the other. So I'm going to use equation 1 and express y in terms of x. So for equation 1, y is equal to 3. And if we take the 2x over to the right-hand side, it becomes a negative 2x. So that now is equation 1. And for equation 2, we're going to leave that as it is. 5x plus 2y is equal to 2. So now we have equation 1 expressed. We've expressed y in terms of x in equation 1. We can substitute for y in equation 2. So for equation 2, we can write it as 5x plus 2 times the value of y. Now we know y from equation 1 is 3 minus 2x. And that is equal to 2. So now we need to just solve this equation for x, as we only have one variable. So let's simplify it first. So we have 5x plus, so if we work out this bracket, we have 2 times 3, which is 6. And we have minus 2x times 2, that gives minus 4x equal to 2. So if we add up the x values, so 5x minus 4x, that gives x. And if we take the value of 6, positive 6, over to the right-hand side, it becomes a negative 6. So x is equal to 2 minus 6. And that is x is equal to minus 4. So we've solved for x. So now we need to substitute the value of x into either equation 1 or 2. We can substitute into any equation. So I'm going to pick equation 1 on this occasion. So equation 1 is 2x plus y equal to 3. And I'm going to substitute x is equal to minus 4 into this equation. That gives 2 times minus 4. So we've substituted for x plus y is equal to 3. So if we multiply 2 by minus 4, we get minus 8 plus y equal to 3. And if we take minus 8 or negative 8 over to the right-hand side, it becomes positive 8. So we get y is equal to 3 plus 8. So we add the 3 and the 8, we get 11. So y is equal to positive 11. So we've solved the equation, and we have x equals minus 4 and y is equal to 11. So now moving over onto the right hand side of the board, we're going to solve the same set of linear equations, but this time with the elimination method. Now to use the elimination method, we need to eliminate one of the variables, either x or y, from the two equations. So how do we do that? So we use a combination of multiplying one of the equations by a number to make the variable coefficient the same, and then we add or subtract depending on the signs of the variables. So if we look at the equations, we're going to try and eliminate the variable y. So let's try and do that. So to do that, I'm going to multiply equation 1 by 2. When I do that, I get 2x times 2 So 2 times 2x plus 2 times y is equal to 3 times 2. So that's equation 1. And then equation 2 is 5x plus 2y is equal to 2. So if we multiply equation 1 out again, we get 2 times 2x, that gives 4x, plus 2 times y is 2y, equals 3 times 2, which is 6. That's now equation 1. And we have, for equation 2, we have 5x plus 2y equal to 2. That's equation 2. And now, as you can see, we have 2y occurring in both equations. So that's all we need to do to eliminate the y variable is subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So let's do that. So 4x minus 5x is minus x. 2y minus 2y is 0. And 6 minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Sorry, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. That leaves x minus x is equal to 4. So now if we multiply both sides by minus 1, we get x is equal to minus 4. So now if we substitute the value of x into either equation 1 or 2, we will be able to solve for the value of y. So let's substitute into equation 2. So equation 2 now becomes 5 times minus 4 plus 2y equal to 2. If we multiply this out, 5 times minus 4 is minus 20 plus 2y equal to 2. So 2y is equal to, if we take negative 20 over to the right hand side, it becomes positive 20. So 2 plus 20, which is equal to 22. So 2y is equal to 22. So y is equal to 22 divided by 2, which is equal to 11. So we have y equals 11 and x equals minus 4. So that concludes this video on how to solve simultaneous equations using the elimination method and the substitution method. If you like the videos, then please hit the subscribe button and tell me how much you liked them in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye for now.